just think you're so funny.
It was hilarious. I don't know why.
All of that crap was shoved into that cupboard and on the sides of that. And yes, I'm a smoker. I make my own smokes. I don't think I can do a video on that. I'll have to check the guidelines. But as I'm going through and cleaning, I am not getting rid of these. These are all the little notes my husband has left me when he gets up and goes out the door before I leave I wake up in the morning. So those will be staying. But everything else will get a good scrub down and cleaned up. And that cupboard will hopefully end up looking like that cupboard. How nice is that? Isn't that just scrumptious? I did that one yesterday. I did the one on top too. But it's pretty loaded. But it's nice and tidy. Nothing stacked. It's kind of nice. Egads, how am I supposed to decide which one of these bags I get to keep? Okay, so Margaritaville and the crafting are about the same size, so I'll get rid of the crafting. Okay, that one will be put away. This one is the Lewis Clark Caverns, and that's a pretty decent size. I think I like that. It's square. And then I have basically three of these little guys here. Got the little Yellowstone and the Love Your National Parks and the Glacier National Park. Oh gosh. I think the Glacier, because it's taller, you know, a little bigger. Well, no. Actually, I'll keep the Yellowstone because these two will make up for that. I'll keep that one. And then the creme de la creme. I love this one because it's like the most amazing gas station in the whole wide world. If you know, you know. And it's kind of a cooler, but we have other coolers that we can use. Geez. I really have only used it a couple of times, and I couldn't live without it. I guess I'll have to just let it go. Okay, the cupboard's all done. Oh my goodness. What a difference.
You're so magical!
Whatever you do, don't fucking try to video when your husband is in the same room and you say, be quiet, I need to do a quick video. It's so magical. Such an asshole.
You did such a good job.
Oh. Living in a space that's like, I don't know, 12 feet long with this asshole is so tough.
I love you too.
Yeah. God. Oh, I just think you're so funny.
It was hilarious. I don't know why.
It's rainy outside. We're stuck inside. Oh my goodness. All right.
Anyway, carry on.
How do we do this? I have no idea. I finally got this cupboard all situated, and check out this magic. Oh my goodness. I can actually tell what's in there now. It's kind of awesome. I can't tell you how wonderful it is to organize things. There's that cupboard. That wasn't so bad to start with. All my notes are still there. So, cool beans. All clean and tidy, ready to go. So I couldn't just end this video without explaining what happened. So I had done the messy cleanup, preparing for travel, and I realized I forgot to post the part about finishing that cupboard. And today is a rainy, although now that I'm getting ready to edit, it's cleared up, but all morning it's been raining. And Joe is playing video games, and the cupboard is right above the TV. So I broke in and said, you know, let me just do this. And of course he had to put his 2 cents in, and I told him I was going to put it in the video. So there you have it. That's the reality of life on the road. So anyway, just had to share and let you know that, yeah, this is what it's like to live with Joe. And part of the reason that we still get along to this day. So anyway, love ya. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.